Have you ever wondered why some people seem to make a fortune in the stock market while others only find disappointment? Is it luck, skill, or a secret formula only known to the Wall Street wizards? Well, the answer is much simpler than you may think. The stock market, at its core, is a marketplace, just like your local farmer's market or a bustling city bazaar. But instead of buying apples or artisanal cheese, you're buying pieces of a company. When you buy a stock, you become a part owner of that company. Think about it. You could own a little piece of a company like Apple or Microsoft. But just like any marketplace, prices in the stock market fluctuate. They are influenced by many factors such as the company's financial health, economic conditions, and even global events. The key to successful investing is understanding these factors and using them to make informed decisions. Now, you might be thinking, that sounds complicated. How can I possibly keep track of all that? Well, the good news is you don't have to. There are professionals called financial analysts who do this for a living. They study companies, markets, and economies, and they publish their findings in reports that you can read. But reading analyst reports is just one tool in your investing toolbox. There's also something called technical analysis. This involves studying past market data, primarily price and volume, to predict future market behavior. It's a bit like weather forecasting. Just as meteorologists use patterns in weather data to predict tomorrow's weather, traders use patterns in market data to predict future stock prices. That's not all. Successful investing also requires discipline. It's easy to get swept up in the excitement of a rising stock market and start buying stocks left and right. But that's a recipe for disaster. You need to have a plan and stick to it. This plan should include things like your investment goals, your risk tolerance, and your investment horizon. So, to recap, successful stock market investment involves understanding the market, using tools like analyst reports and technical analysis, and having a disciplined investment plan. Remember, the stock market isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a vehicle for building wealth over the long term. And just like any journey, it requires preparation, patience, and perseverance. So, are you ready to take the plunge and become a part owner of some of the world's biggest companies? The choice is yours. The stock market is waiting.